Here is the SK 5-piece impact socket adapter set. Let's go ahead and open it up and walk through exactly what you get in this kit. Inside of it comes with a rail with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. So this comes with a nice little carrying case, and they are all 1/4-inch shanks right there. So we'll be able to put those into impact drills or just a regular drill as well. And you get a 1/4-inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch, and then 2 1/4-inch drives. So let's go ahead and take these out and give a little look at each one of them. So these are all metal and definitely nice looking. These have the nice dentin ball design to just help make sure sockets fit snugly. And this allows you to have the locking mechanism. So both of those look really good as well. Let's go ahead and put them in drills and see what that's like. So you're just going to put it in there and locks in. I have a variety of different branded drills here. And you can see each one of them locks in very nicely, which is great. That's what you want. You don't want them moving around. So overall, each one of them is in there very nicely. As you can see, you can pull each one. They're not going to slip out, which is nice. And then when it's time to release, they all do come out very nice and smooth. So that's pretty awesome right there. You also get the little carrying case for it as well. So you get a 1/4-inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch, and then 2 1/4 that allow you to put different bits in, which is very nice. And then this middle one is locking. So you get the 1/4-inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. Each one of those fits on nice and snugly. You can easily use them. Then they don't fall out, but you do, after some persuasion, they do come out, which I do like. I don't like them falling out into an engine bay or whatever you're working on. So they are nice that they do have a little bit of rigidity and help keep it locked on there when you need it and then able to take it off. So if you're looking for a nice 5-piece set, make sure to check out the SK 5-piece impact socket set adapter. And this thing seems like it's a really quality and is going to last me a long time. I really do like that it comes with this little holder. It allows you to be able to put it in your toolbox and always know where each item is at. And you probably could add even more if you really scooted everything over, which is even kind of nice as well, and add other things in. So if you wanted to put couple of bits on there as well, you would easily be able to do that. It's a pretty cool, nice little extra feature that that thing has built in. If you're interested in purchasing this, I will have a link down in my description. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed yet, please do. It helps grow this channel, allow me to do more reviews like this in the near future.